Artistic License has a flexible range of control products, ideally suited for those instances where there is a crossover between entertainment and architectural lighting, or where scalable lighting control solutions are required. In order that we select the right product for the application, we need to first understand the differences between them. artPlay is a standalone 2-universe touchscreen controller. It can drive lighting loads directly via any standard ArtNet gateway and provides simple static scene recall for 1 or 2 zones. With on-screen scene control, edit, colour picker, and the ability to capture from any ArtNet controller or console, artPlay is a versatile solution for small to medium-size installations. But what happens when we need to scale up a little? We add an artCore to our system. It sits on the same Ethernet network as our touchscreen and ArtNet gateway, taking control and providing oversight of all our lighting control requirements. Adding an artCore increases our universe count to 8, enabling over 4,000 channels to be controlled. This allows lighting in 8 zones to be set, recalled and edited. The Art UI user interface can be used alongside the artPlay screen, enabling scene recall, whereas the artIO provides simple and efficient dry contact triggers, or serial integration. The Art UI user interface can be used alongside the artPlay screen, enabling scene recall, whereas the artIO provides simple and efficient dry contact triggers, or serial integration. Moreover, the artCore itself supports native integration via Ethernet with AVLight's Titan, TCP/IP and HTTP API integrations. So whether using an artPlay with an artCore or with the installation-ready cueLumen core, users are presented with a flexible and configurable control solution which can be tailored and locked down according to their particular needs. The touchscreen provides simple access to zones, channel level edit, and the ability to capture from any industry-standard ArtNet console or controller. Moreover, the user can add, remove, or edit scheduled events, enabling the efficient management of a system and responsible use of energy. Dynamic scene capture and replay provides system-wide playback of dynamic lighting effects. On-screen settings provide access to passcode protection, to the screen, to edit, to system settings, and access to engineering settings, ensuring only those users with appropriate authority have access. Other configurable features include up to 4 colour wheels per zone, for colour and intensity control or edit. These colour wheels can be hidden if not required, as can many of the zone features such as fade time, edit, or record enable. The ability to modify which scenes are visible in each zone, along with the user naming of each scene and zone, provides a useful and flexible feature. In this way, each screen connected to the system can be configured uniquely, ensuring the best user experience possible. Once set, the option to edit these can also be hidden if required. The artPlay, artCore, and cueLumen series are engineered for flexibility and ease of use. This provides venue owners, facility managers, and integrators full control without the need for proprietary software, costly licenses, or ongoing commissioning services. So whether you're lighting an auditorium, façade, landscape, museum, house of worship, small venue, multi-purpose space, or theme park, Artistic License deliver powerful, scalable lighting control that's intuitive for users of all technical backgrounds. For more information on artPlay, artCore, and the new cueLumen series, visit artisticlicense.com.